In this video, I'll guide you through how to wire transfer funds on Etrade. Whether you're managing investments or simply moving your money around, knowing how to perform a wire transfer can be incredibly handy. So, let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you need to log into your Etrade account. You can do this by using either the website or the app, whichever you find more convenient. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and once you're in, you're on your way to moving your funds. Next, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section located in the main menu. This is your gateway to handling all types of transactions within your Etrade account. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Wire Transfer and select it. This step sets the stage for choosing where your funds will be coming from. Now, choose the bank account from which you want to send the money. If your bank account isn't already linked to your Etrade account, you'll need to add it. This usually involves entering your bank details and possibly verifying the account, so be prepared for that extra step if necessary. With your bank account selected, it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be precise here to ensure that you're transferring exactly what you intend to. Double-check all the details, including your bank information and the transfer amount, to ensure accuracy. Mistakes at this stage can cause delays, so take a moment to review everything. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, go ahead and confirm the transaction. This is the point of no return, so make sure all looks good before hitting that confirm button. After you submit the wire transfer, you will receive a confirmation message. This is your assurance that the transfer request has been successfully initiated. Typically, it takes between 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your Etrade account, so a little patience is required. In the event that you encounter any issues or have questions during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Etrade customer support. They're there to help you navigate any bumps along the way and ensure your funds are transferred smoothly. And that's how you wire transfer funds on Etrade. By following these straightforward steps, you can manage your funds with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your wire transfer process a breeze.